What are usual, customary, and reasonable UCR charges? Imagine you're trying to understand how much a medical service should cost in your area. That's where usual, customary, and reasonable charges come into play. These are tools used by health insurance companies to figure out how much they will pay for a specific medical service. They help keep costs fair and consistent across different providers and locations. Let's break down what each part means. Usual charges are what a healthcare provider normally charges for a particular service. This is the fee the provider typically asks for that treatment. Customary charges refer to the range of fees charged by other providers in the same geographic area for similar services. It shows what is commonly charged nearby. Reasonable charges are those that are justified based on the complexity of the service, the resources needed, and what is typical in the market. It ensures the fee is fair relative to the service's value. When you visit an out-of-network provider, your insurance company looks at these UCR charges to decide how much they will reimburse. They analyze what other providers in your area charge for the same service. If the provider's bill is higher than the UCR amount, the insurer might only pay up to that limit. The difference, called balance billing, is often the patient's responsibility. In contrast, in-network providers have negotiated rates with the insurance company. This means their charges are usually below or aligned with the UCR limits, so the patient's out-of-pocket costs are often lower. UCR charges are especially important when no negotiated rate exists, helping insurers manage costs and prevent overpayment. They also serve as a benchmark for negotiating bills and resolving disputes. Understanding UCR charges can help you manage your medical bills better. If you know how your insurer determines payments, you can ask questions or negotiate if your bill seems high. Always review your insurance plan details because how UCR charges are applied can vary. Remember, these charges are based on local market conditions and typical service costs, so they help keep payments fair and transparent. In the end, UCR charges are a way for insurers to set reasonable limits on reimbursements, making sure payments reflected what is standard in your area. If you ever have questions about your coverage or bills, talking to your insurance provider or healthcare professional can give you personalized guidance. Always seek advice from qualified medical professionals for your health needs, and use this information to better understand how your insurance works when managing costs and claims.